Did you know that the average student spends over 100 hours each year just preparing for school? Or maybe you've asked yourself, are you tired of losing your school supplies? Well, stick around, because today we've got some epic DIY back-to-school hacks that you absolutely can't afford to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Basics Hub. As we gear up for another school year, I wanted to share some amazing DIY hacks that can totally simplify your life and boost your productivity. Whether you're a student or a parent, these tips will make preparing for school a whole lot easier and even a little more fun. From clever storage solutions to creative study tips, these hacks are ones you can't afford to miss. Now, let's talk about the reality of heading back to school. We all know it can be overwhelming. You've got disorganization, lack of motivation, and let's not forget those pricey school supplies that can really drain your wallet. Ever find yourself scrambling to find that one pen when you're trying to study? Or maybe you just can't keep your notes in order? It's super common, and it can seriously affect your focus and stress levels. But don't worry, because I'm here to help you tackle these challenges head-on with some DIY solutions. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. First up, let's talk about creating an organized binder. Grab some colorful dividers and label each section for different subjects. Throw in some sheet protectors for important papers and voila! You've got a fabulous organized binder that not only looks great but also keeps you on track. Next, we'll turn an old t-shirt into a stylish pencil case. Here's what you'll need: an old t-shirt, scissors, and either a sewing kit or fabric glue. Start by cutting the bottom of the t-shirt to create a pouch. Fold the fabric inside out and sew or glue the sides together, leaving the top open. Turn it right side out and you have a unique pencil case. This pencil case is not only functional but also a great way to repurpose old clothing. You can customize it with fabric paint or patches for a personal touch. For our third hack, we'll create a DIY homework station. You'll need a small cart or caddy, some containers, and labels. Organize your homework station by placing all your supplies, like pens, notebooks, and textbooks, into the caddy. Label each container for easy access. Having a dedicated homework station helps create a focused study environment, making it easier to concentrate and stay productive. You can even personalize your study space by adding a comfy chair, a good desk lamp, and some fun decor can really change the vibe. You can even make a DIY bulletin board from an old frame and some fabric. Pin your reminders, goals, and inspirational quotes to keep you motivated. Next, let's make reusable snack bags. You'll need fabric scraps, a sewing kit, or fabric glue. Cut 2 pieces of fabric into your desired snack bag size. Place them right sides together, sew or glue around the edges, leaving the top open. Turn it inside out and you have a reusable snack bag. These snack bags are eco-friendly and perfect for packing lunches. Plus, you can customize them with fun fabrics. For our next hack, we'll create DIY study flashcards. You'll need index cards, markers, and a hole punch. Write questions on one side of the index card and answers on the other. Use a hole punch to create a hole in the corner and bind them with a ring for easy flipping. Flashcards are a great way to reinforce learning and can be easily carried in your backpack for on-the-go studying. Next, let's create a DIY desk organizer using items you likely already have at home. Empty toilet paper rolls, a cardboard box, and some paint. Cut the toilet paper rolls to different heights and glue them inside the cardboard box to create compartments. Paint or decorate the box to match your style. This desk organizer is perfect for keeping pens, pencils, and other supplies tidy and accessible. For our 7th hack, we'll create a personalized planner. You'll need a blank notebook, stickers, and washi tape. Use washi tape to create colorful borders on each page and add stickers to mark important dates or events. Customize it to fit your style and needs. A personalized planner helps you stay organized and motivated throughout the school year. For our next hack, let's create DIY bookmarks. You'll need cardstock, scissors, and markers. Cut the cardstock into bookmark-sized strips and decorate them with your favorite quotes or designs using markers. You can even laminate them for durability. These bookmarks are not only functional but also a fun way to express your personality while reading. One of my absolute favorite hacks is the multi-use backpack. It's not just for carrying books, you can convert it into a mini locker organizer. Just add some small containers or pouches inside to keep everything from snacks to school supplies neatly arranged. Imagine the time you'll save not digging through your bag. Let's do a quick before and after visual of how this hack transforms a cluttered backpack into a super organized one. So, to wrap things up, we've covered some essential DIY back-to-school hacks today. From creating an organized binder to personalizing your study space and those awesome budget-friendly supplies, these tips are designed to help you have a smoother, more productive school year. Remember, staying organized and motivated can really make a difference. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite school hacks? Drop a comment below and let's share some tips. And if you're looking for more awesome DIY ideas, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to check out more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy back-to-school season.